गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में सर्विस क्लाउड के कुछ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्योंकि सर्विस क्लाउड टॉपिक पर इंटरव्यू में कम से कम दो से तीन क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज द सेल्सफोर्स सर्विस क्लाउड्स? At a state before Service Cloud is a Salesforce platform created for the providing top-notch customer support, keeping client happy and the team on the same page. Dwelling on what is a Salesforce Service Cloud's used for, it is a vital to mention that it is a main aim are to streamline to the process of the customer support team, organize case management and the root case, log data orderly and from the reports, automated virus action to save time and reduce manual work, all resulting in customer satisfactions alongside faster and better quality supports. That said, the benefit of the Salesforce Service Clouds include the personalized attentions to each client, the quickness of the first response to the inquiries and issues, as well as a assemblability on of the different kinds of the device. Plus the system is simply integrated with of the back end of other the Salesforce tools and the plugins. Next question: Salesforce Service Clouds. Sales Clouds. Simply put, the Salesforce Service Cloud the platform was built for the dealing with inbound customer support aim. On of the other hand, Sales Cloud software, it is a different product that is a design for the sales team to have many features that are the alike. Thus the choice of the between them depend on your the necessities making sales or providing the customer service. Next questions: what is the service clouds? Service clouds is the UI that manage the customer service and support system in the Salesforce system. It can be integrated with the server platform like the emails, phones, social media, chat. Next question: name of 5 extensive features of the service clouds. Chat service, live assistant service for the online the customer service, single interface for the customer service without the leaving the website. Knowledge base, quickly assemble knowledge base for the again to the answer quickly. Service clouds, service consoles enables expert management of the service task. Next questions: what is the role of Salesforce Service Clouds Consultant? The Service Clouds Consultant work to the ensure efficient customer support management using the Salesforce solution. He also designing custom solution deploying the Salesforce Service Cloud for the business. Next question: what are the Salesforce cases? Case from the backend of the service clouds. They are the records that is maintained to the log of customer concern. It is a complete overview and everything related to the customer, the service cloud consultant customize the case to the business need to ensure that the customers receive the necessary support the service. Next questions: Salesforce Service Cloud features tools. All the most process of customer support team review allow around managing the case. There are also numbers of the service clouds function that where the created streamline work process along the major things. The Salesforce Service Clouds functionalities cover to supplement case management and enhance the overall work of the efficiency of the specialized include case management. Perhaps the most important Salesforce feature in the service clouds for the organize the work of the customer support department with the case system. Again, workplace if the features is used for equipping your service team the quick and simple access to all of the things that are necessarily for their the truthful work using the again console. Next question: service process automation help to eliminate a lot of the manual work by setting up the automated process. It also the allow to design automate the process which can be work to the specialist thought of what should be done step by step when the resolve specific case view tools based on the actual customer support chat with of you the client. Next questions, knowledge the management. It is a need to for the resolving the issue faster. That said, solution for the respective issue are the jotted on of the queue as or articles to be the reuse. The answer can be the used by employees and even the customer in that self-service format. If you wish, omni channels routing used for the automatically assignment case leads and task to the best available specific specialist based on the skills on workload to close case the effectivity. Next, service analyst deploy data regarding the employee's performance, the value of the case to the credit customer trend right on the dashboards. Next question, telephone integration, a customer telephone the plugins that allow adding the calls into the service without the need to the use external tools. There are also the exit and service clouds wise the software which is a AI power wise transaction tools. Next questions, other features along with that service clouds provide the opportunity to the support client on of the multi-channel level the possibility to create case and automatically on web the to case emails to the case base and automations with the macros asset and order management as well as the collaborative tools called the Qt for the helping employees work in the teams more the successfully among other the functionality. Now that we have a brief the overview the possible features, let the find out how to the help and converting the common customer service team the challenges. Next question, what are the advantage of this service clouds? Better customer support system. All customer related information can be the stored in the single applications. Support can be the provided through the variety channels, increase the sales and opportunity. Next, name the different clouds in Salesforce: sales clouds, marketing clouds, commerce clouds, service clouds, experience clouds, analytics clouds, other clouds, non-profit clouds, finance service clouds, health clouds, education clouds, and manufacturing clouds, and vaccine clouds. Next questions. What are the features of the Salesforce Service Console? Agent used to Service Console to the get all of the information related to the customer case on single the page. The console app make the desire resolve the case by opening the multiple case at and that is the related records on the single screen. The split screen allow the again to the manage numbers case at a time. Next question, what is the entitlement management? Entitlement management is a feature that is a ensure the best customer support management process. It is a like a process schedules with step the support team must follow the to resolve case. The features are the entertainment and process define the process of the resolution of the case or the work orders. The service again can be determined if the customer is entitled to the receive the support. There are different service contract like the warranties of the other kinds of the agreement. This can be the strict based on the product. Experienced user can be view and create the support records from the implement. Implement management reports help the users check the service contract status and the overall working out of the implement in the Salesforce version. Next question: what are the two version of this email to the case? Email to case convert a customer email directly into the case. Case information is also directly taken the from of the emails, reducing of the manual input effort. The features is used to handle the support in emails address. There are two ways to the implement this. emails to the case, and again has to be installed the network firewall of the Salesforce origin. It's 25 MB and attachment about the 10 MB. It is also keep the emails traffic within the firewall on demand the emails to case. It is a simplified version of the emails to case and does not require, and again the but emails above the 25 MB or the attachment above the 10 MB are not the handles. Next question. Next questions. What is the support process? The support process is a Salesforce features that aids is a organized case creation, and it is pathway. The status operations on case are the performed using the support process. Value can be added to the review. Next question. What is the role of case equations rule in the Salesforce? Case equations rule are the applied to the step of the case that meet the regulations set in the rule entry sections. The rule entries hold the criteria based on the which the issue and escalated, and it is the actions that must be taken to the push the case forward. This is usually done in the cases where no actions has been taken within the specific time. A good example in the escalations rule, which defined the case to be the assigned to the tier 2 team if the case is not the being the closed by the tier 1 team and within the specific time frame. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए करना मत भूलिएगा। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। तो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, बाय।